brothers Wisp. The brothers Wisp, brothers Wisp. The brothers Wisp. The brothers.
You're now listening.
Hello,
to
everyone. I'm
Greg.
John
It's the
Mead. I'm
brothers
here at Wisp America in Cincinnati, Ohio. Here we have cnMatrix. cnMatrix is the brand of our newest portfolio at Cambium Networks. It is our Ethernet switching portfolio. What we're showing here is our enterprise. What we're showing here is our enterprise line of switches. We also have a family of Wisp Ethernet switches and a family of outdoor video surveillance switches. The enterprise switches that we're showing here, we have two 8-port models, one with PoE and one without PoE. And then we have two 24-port models, again, one with PoE and one without. On the 24-port models, we also have 4 SFP plus or 10 gigabit uplink fiber ports. When we designed these switches, we had 4 main guiding principles or themes in mind. One, very important to us, was quality. We wanted to make sure we have a robust, reliable, and dependable switch. The second guiding principle for us, or the second theme, was ease of use. Very important for us to build a switch that is easy to deploy, easy to maintain, and easy to configure, also easy to troubleshoot. The third main theme for us was to have a solution that was feature-rich and that meets the demands of the customer. We're coming into a mature market, Ethernet switching. We wanted to make sure that we can meet those customers' demands. Our fourth theme, most exciting, is we wanted to add a little bit of secret sauce, a little bit of innovation, a little bit of differentiation. I would like to point out that these switches are can be managed by cnMaestro, our network management system. cnMaestro can be located either on-premise or in the cloud, a very comprehensive and sophisticated solution. Also, the intelligent edge is what we offer with these switches. Enhanced security, wireless aware, and we have a feature called policy-based automation, which provides a true zero-touch experience for the customer. So here we are, cnMatrix, showing it off live. We've been shipping these products for about 3 months now. The Wisp version of these switches will add 3 new major features. The Cambium GPS sync will be integrated into the Wisp switches. Also, flexible PoE for products like cnMedusa that require 90 watts. Also, passive PoE, low voltage, 24 volt, 30 volt, passive PoE for those types of devices. And the third item is we will be able to power these switches with either AC or DC. These current enterprise switches can be powered via AC power.
I got about 3 or 4 questions, and then at some point you answered them.
Okay.
So I guess so there was a third line of switches for outdoor cameras.
Yes.
What's different about those?
So the outdoor video surveillance solution is truly an outdoor switch, IP67 rated. So mount it directly to the pole. Now, how do you get connectivity out to that pole? Well, you'll use one of Cambium's subscriber modules. So the passive PoE that is required to power up a subscriber module is provided by this outdoor switch. And then the customer might want to deploy 1 or 2 or 3 video surveillance cameras, maybe an outdoor access point. So this switch provides the connectivity for all those devices that are mounted at some remote outdoor location.
Okay.
Yeah, think video surveillance, outdoor video surveillance. Sure. Think smart city, that type of deployment.
Sure. So then earlier when you were mentioning the different voltages on the Wisp switch, you said 30 volt. I think this will be the first switch I've heard that will do 30 volt. Well, most of them do 24 or 48, so. Yeah,
so the DC source in maybe is what you're referring to. I was referring to the PoE out on this Ethernet port. So yeah, so 802.3 AFAT, the standards-based active PoE, is 54 volts out. And that's how we provide up to 30 watts per port. But we also provide that AT power over 4 pair. We can get up to 90 watts per port for powering products like our cnMedusa. On these Wisp switches, you'll be able to power up to 8 cnMedusa simultaneously, in addition to other miscellaneous devices that might be connected. But then on the other end, there are a lot of devices out there that take PoE, passive PoE, at somewhere between 24 volts and 30 volts.
Okay. Yeah, I like that range at the bottom because there are 24s, there are 30s.
Yep.
Even from Cambium, there's some
Yep.
differentiation.
Yep.
And I like that there's a really high wattage version now.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know that any of the others do that such wattage.
Yeah, it's going to be an all-in-one solution. These WISP switches are going to be very cool. There's a big buzz about them right now. They're not available now. They're coming out later this year. But yeah, so Ethernet switching, enterprise grade, cloud managed, L2, L3 switching with the Cambium integrated GPS and the flexible PoE out power.
Okay. On the L3, I assume it's just static routing. I assume it's not doing BGP.
Excellent question. Excellent question. Yeah, these switches that are designed for the edge or the access layer of the network, you'll see them in a lot of different forms. L2 only switches, L3 switches but static routing only, or L3 switches with static routing and dynamic routing.
Okay.
From the beginning, we decided yes, we want to provide L3 support, and we support both static and dynamic routing, up to 512 routes, OSPF, RIP. We do not have BGP on our roadmap yet, but
sure.
the hardware supports, and we can do it if needed.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
It's a very powerful solution. It's a silicon-based design. It enables us to have full line rate, L2 switching, L3 switching, non-blocking.
Good. All right. You think you answered everything that I could think of.
Great. Great. No, we're very excited about these switches. These enterprise switches are available today. The WISP switches will be available soon, later this year.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, and
thank you very much. Please visit the Cambium community site to file any questions you have and to read more about the switches.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Greg, it's the Brothers Wisp. Let's take a ride through space on this mothership. Wireless networking. We talk about equipment and methodology, so sit back and start learning. Lighten up the tower so people can start searching. Shooting up the web in neighborhoods, net surfing. We got horrible jokes, we're loud and annoying, but we're informative facts, we're not disappointing. Just give us a listen, cause fun is the mission. I'm telling you, you don't know what you are missing. Ideas and some good comedy given. If you missed the show already, don't worry, you're forgiven.